Hi, this is Adam with Insight Sales and Marketing. We work with creative on a lot of different brands, and today we're specifically working on some DSP projects. DSPs are important in cars because they let you integrate with the factory system, and they also help you maximize the performance of the aftermarket system with proper tuning and setup. And we want to tell you why that's important. So you might be wondering what you use a DSP for or what it actually is. The term DSP stands for digital signal processing, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're processing the signal, either electrically or acoustically, to maximize the performance of the gear that we're installing and working within the factory application. It's not unlike a dyno tune of a car. If you're trying to build a hot rod and you've got all kinds of fun bolt-ons and power adders, you need to go to the dyno to get that thing tuned to maximize all of the gear that you installed in the vehicle. This is the exact same thing, just for the audio side. And not unlike a dyno tune, you want somebody with some experience and who's done this before. A professional is really the best person to have tune your system. You basically don't want somebody practicing on your car. A lot of people kind of get intimidated with DSP, and it's really one of those things where it has multiple functions. One of the cases that you can use it for is to correct factory signal. A lot of newer cars, it's either unwanted or impossible to replace a radio, so you have to deal with what the factory system gives you. The other thing that a DSP is going to do is it's going to allow you to correct acoustically for the car, because every car is shaped differently. You know, a minivan has a different interior than a pickup truck than a sports car. So by having the DSP, you can kind of dial in that aftermarket system to its maximum potential based on the specific vehicle and the specific listening habits of the end user. So every speaker in a system performs a different function. In order to make it hit those performance goals, we need to have targets for those speakers. With the DSP, we can program in the target that we want and then use the real-time measurements in the microphone to match those targets as closely as possible. If all goes well, when you get everything dialed close to those targets, you can put everything back together and get the performance that you're looking for and the overall response that really makes the system sound great. Choosing the right DSP is one of the most important steps in the process. Getting with a local professional to have them help you figure out what you need in terms of input channels or output channels. What tools do you need to make it sound right? And get you in the right budget. All of those things are important to choosing the right product, and there's no one better than a trained professional to help you do that. The pros at Creative Audio know these products inside and out, and they can help you get into the right tool for the job. A properly tuned DSP can take a good system to a great one, and it'll make you take the long way home every time.